Let's turn up the reggae and meet Bob Marley, a music legend who made the world sing and dance for peace. Bob Marley was born in 1945 in a small village in Jamaica. He grew up with music in his heart and big dreams in his mind. Even as a kid, Bob loved to sing and play guitar. He'd hum melodies walking to school and tap rhythms on anything he could find. In his teens, Bob started a band with friends called the Wailers. Together, they made music full of heart, hope, and rhythm. Bob helped create a new sound called reggae, music with bouncy beats, cool guitar strums, and powerful messages. Bob Marley used music to speak out for peace, love, and fairness. His songs made people feel strong and united. His hit song, One Love, became an anthem around the world. It asked everyone to come together, no matter their differences. Bob followed the Rastafari faith. He wore red, gold, and green, colors that stood for unity, peace, and African roots. Bob Marley's music traveled across oceans. He played concerts in Africa, Europe, and the Americas, spreading joy everywhere. One time, he helped stop a fight between leaders in Jamaica just by singing. Bob believed music could help heal the world. His songs weren't just fun. They had big ideas. He sang about freedom, kindness, and standing up for what's right. People everywhere saw Bob as more than a singer. He became a hero, showing how art and courage can make change. Bob had many children, and some became musicians too, like Ziggy Marley, who carries on his dad's musical message. Even when he got sick, Bob kept singing. He passed away in 1981, but his songs still sing loud today. You can still hear Bob's music on the radio, in movies, and at concerts. His voice keeps bringing people together. Bob Marley loved soccer, had a pet lion once, and his album Legend is one of the best-selling reggae records ever. Thanks for jamming with us and learning about Bob Marley. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more amazing history right here on PastPorts Kids.